Travis Wingoodsell. With yesterday's coup d'etat attempt, attack, assault, insurrection, I am writing yet another email to the court here in Utah in the case involving the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. This is the reading of the email. Your Honors should have seen this email coming. The plaintiff is furious with this court for the seditious manner in which they've dealt with the plaintiff's two complaints. The plaintiff had intel of yesterday's coup d'etat of America's Capitol building yesterday afternoon. Since the first filing, TWG VCOP 219 CV 00711, on 30th September 2019. Yet this court has aided and abetted in the defendant's assassination attempts on the plaintiff to have him silenced, as is also Your Honor's Order 26. Notice that such a national security threat as occurred yesterday has not happened in America's history since the War of 1812, from which Captain William Morgan received his intel about yesterday's threat and passed it on to Joseph Smith Sr., the Master Mason at Canandaigua, New York, who finished the publication of William Morgan's warning by encoding it in what was titled the Book of Mormon, which also gave the dates of the years 2017 to 2024 in which all of this would take place. The plaintiff is furious that there is no one in the state of Utah who is loyal to the United States of America. The plaintiff has warned this court that the inverted pentagrams at the defendant's headquarters at Temple Square were the secret sign that the defendant came from this 1826 American terrorist threat. And it is the defendant whose elder Rasband certified the approval of the inauguration of the new governor and lieutenant governor on Monday. Governor Cox being loyal to the defendant and causing the spread and escalation of the virus, and the lieutenant governor who successfully downgraded polygamy as a $750 fine and community service. The plaintiff reminds the court that it was he who informed this court of the future plot of the defendant to reinstitute polygamy, as the current CEO for the defendant altered the wording of their law of chastity to refer to their Section 132 of their Doctrine and Covenants, written by Brigham Young, but fraudulently attributing it to Joseph Smith Jr., the organization founder. In Section 32, it is commanded that in order to inherit the highest degree of afterlife, one must be a polygamist. The founder, however, condemns polygamy 4 times in the Book of Mormon and 2 times in his 1835 edition of the Doctrine and Covenants, both of which passages were removed by Brigham Young the year before he died, when 132 was inserted in their place. But this court denied all the plaintiff's evidence from being presented in court in both his cases, with the frivolous motion by the defense counsel that the pro se litigant guide is a violation of Rule 8. The plaintiff is enraged that the justices of this court would use their cover of law and their seat on the federal bench to protect the defendant from their co-conspiratorial sedition. And adding their names to the now long list of traitors. So yeah, I'm a little bit miffed.